hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation.
Hi, today I am going to teach you how to remove the background from image without using Adobe Photoshop or any software. Everyone doesn't know how to operate Photoshop. Here is a simple trick. It can help you to remove your image's background.
Like a bird on a tree.
Do not skip the video, it's a simple and easiest trick using Google Chrome. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me to grow, please.
It's clear to see from up here.
First, you have to make sure which image background you want to remove. Select the image and make sure. Open Google Chrome and type the search keyword remove.bg. The Chrome will guide you in another window website www.remove.bg, where we The website will show you the instruction on how to use and what to do. Follow the instructions. The website has removed the background of the image. There are two options to download your no background image. Choose the first one, which is free. Another HD quality pays. It will ask you money. Don't select that. Free also high definition quality. Now download your image and make your own design and enjoy your day. Thank you.